I make bitches and niggas nervous. I still got some like Curtis. I still gig up on purpose.
Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So UNICE Hair sent me their 24-inch Bye Knots 7x5 water wave glueless wig. This wig has been pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, and you can choose if you want your wig to come with baby hairs or not. The wig comes with this HD wig cap. It also comes with this little baggie that included another wig cap, nails, and a wig band. They also provide you with mink lashes and a little note card. Again, this wig came pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, and let's not forget the pre-cut edges. Just in time for spring break. All I gotta do is put this on my head and get up out the door. So right here, I'm just putting on the wig so y'all can see exactly how good this lace melts, y'all. Like, I'm just putting it on my head straight out of the package, and look how good that looks. Even though this does look good, of course we're going to go in and tweak it and make it look even better to make sure they know that, yeah, this grew up out of my scalp. So I'm going to take some foundation that's my skin tone, and I'm going to tap that in on my lace. So now I'm just going to use my wax stick, and I'm going to hot comb my hair out, making sure everything is nice and flat. Since this is a glueless unit, I don't want to use anything that's going to leave any type of residue or stickiness on my head. So I'm just going to use that mousse, and I'm just going to form my edges. Now I'm just taking my spritz and spraying a little bit on my hand, and I'm going to tap it in on that lace just to blend it in a tad bit more. And now your glueless unit is giving straight up out the salon. For my finishing touch, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of concealer, one shade lighter than my skin tone, and I'm going to go in and fill in that part.
smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird, shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge.
And yeah, y'all, this is the unit dry. Let me know how y'all feel about it in the comments. Me personally, I really like this hair dry. Like, it's just so big, so fluffy, and so curly. I love it. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all what it looks like wet. So I'm just gonna go in with my spray bottle, wet my hair up some, brush it out a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with that same mousse that I use on my edges.
Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Give us my only decision. Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make this one fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
And this is her wet. I really like it wet as well, but y'all let me know which one y'all like better in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, girl. What you waiting on? Anyways, thank you UNICE Hair so much for sending me this wig, and I will see y'all next time in my next video. Bye.
Ready to fuck. Do you know what it feels like to fall in love? Neither do I say we find out. Cover your eyes, or go turn the lights out. I know you want it from the way you like to move, girl. Why you frontin' like you ain't got nothing to lose, girl? I'm just trying to make a move, girl. Get you in a mood, girl, yeah.